just out for a walk here, and it's been it's been over a day since we've had power, so it's been interesting. Got a wood stove going, and I was actually unable to sleep last night between about 2 and 4, so I decided to be productive to go out and collect some water down in the local creek. It just runs in between, right beside our driveway actually. Check out the ice on these trees, hey? You see that? Amazing. It's everywhere. A lot of trees fell down. We went out yesterday, cut down a bunch of limbs from the driveway so that I wouldn't fall on the power lines. Anyway, just going out a little walk here around the property. Beautiful lookout up ahead that we'll be to in a couple moments. And yeah, the boys and Jen and I love this spot out here. The sun coming up over there, it's beautiful. It's about minus 15. Taking the day off again today, no power, not much work to be done in the garage, so we might head into town to my in-laws, get a shower, get cleaned up. And Nova Scotia Power says they're going to have the power back on by 2. So anyway, stay tuned and see if that happens. Oh, some fresh rabbit tracks. Alright, here we are at the lookout. The camera doesn't do it justice. It's beautiful out here though. I love it here. Can you tell?